Supper Wednesday, let's get cooking. From skillet to plate, just take a look in. So grab your boots and come our way. It's what's for Supper Wednesday.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today for What's for Supper Wednesday, we're going to be having an easy meal. It's going to be Sloppy Joe pizza. What you'll need is some burger. We got 2 pounds here. We'll probably just do 1 pound. Your Sloppy Joe mix, sauce. I've got some that I canned. You can make your own or just use the Sloppy Joe sauce in the store. A pizza crust. We're going to just do it simple today. And some shredded cheese. First, I'm going to fry up my burger and make my Sloppy Joe. Doug has spread out the pizza crust for me. You want to bake this in the oven about 3 to 5 minutes. So when you put the sauce on, it don't get soggy. I'm going to drain the grease out. I'm using Debbie's Kitchen. Debbie on Debbie's Kitchen. This is where I seen it on. Her little trick. Now I'm going to add the sauce to it. I'll be having a video of how I canned up the Sloppy Joe mix. There's the pizza crust done, or put it in for about 5 minutes. And when I'm using this Sloppy Joe mix, I put in just a little bit of ketchup. Just seems like it needs a little bit. I don't put it in when I'm canning because I don't want to mess up the ratios of for the acid in the canning. So I just put a little bit in when I'm cooking it. Now let's get the crust out and we'll put them together. Okay, we got the crust out. As you see, it's almost done, but we just need the cheese to melt on top. Doug's gonna spoon out the Sloppy Joes. He's not feeling well today. Now we're going to just smooth it out. Okay. You can put whatever cheese you want in it. Just make it your own. We'll put this in our pizza crust 425, whatever your pizza crust temperature, just until the cheese melts and the crust is done. Here it is out of the oven. We'll plate it up and give it a try. Okay, here it is plated up. We've got a salad. This is our lettuce, tomato, and cucumbers in the salad. Doug, Daniel, give it a try.
Okay. Yummy. Definitely a keeper.
Hard to eat with a fork.
Quick, cheap, easy, fast. What more can you ask for?
That's delicious.
Alright, I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone.